Hi lawyers, this is part 3 in a 3-part series about how to meet clients on Facebook, and this video is how to create the right videos for your Facebook ads. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses. Sometimes figuring out the best way to get clients with all the options out there these days can be kind of tricky. Most of my clients want the cheapest, easiest way to get the most clients. That's probably how you're thinking too. In the first 2 parts of this series, which I'll link around here somewhere, I outline what I call Strategy 1, and Strategy 1 was for practice areas where they're urgently needing a lawyer, they know they need a lawyer, they're not on the fence at all, they're just ready to jump in and work with you. Strategy 2 is where they definitely need more educating and more follow-up. But what video content actually works to get clients on Facebook? Not just any video will work, and you might be surprised to find out what actually works. Many of you might do TV ads, and I'll venture to say that all of us have seen lawyer TV ads. A short while ago, I was in a hotel room in Pennsylvania watching cable TV for the first time in a while, and it was surprising how many ads run for lawyers. I produced TV ads, so I was kind of going crazy in the hotel room critiquing them, wanting to write emails to the people who were producing these TV spots. That's another story. Facebook is not TV. TV ads are usually 30-second spots. They can and probably should be entertaining, but Facebook ads generally should not be short or entertaining unless your goal is just to entertain people. So what is the length for a Facebook video ad? I would steer clear of the 30-second mark at all costs. If your ad is 30 seconds, it gets skipped over even by your best potential clients. And my theory is that we've been programmed to feel like it's advertising when it hits that 30-second mark, or if it's entertaining. Online videos ought to run longer. In fact, the best performing Facebook ad of all time that I wrote and directed was nearly 2 minutes long, and it was actually for a law firm that does a lot of TV. It wasn't entertaining, and it addressed exactly what people should do next when needing a lawyer with that practice area. So let's recap. Make your videos longer than 30 seconds. Don't worry about making your videos entertaining. They don't need to be entertaining. Be sure that you create educational videos that help them understand what to do next. Have you ever done a marketing course or hired an agency or a person to work for your law firm and it didn't do anything? I want to show you something different, cheaper, and just better. This works for my clients and others like them with similar practice areas. Why? You can flip it on and off as needed. You can test it. It's scalable and it works 24/7. You are so lucky compared to law firms that came before you. You have the gift of these platforms and you're practicing law in 2022. How much would you pay for a new client? When you get referrals, you pay the referring firm 1/3, at least in California. If you're in a major city, you pay a legal marketing director $6,361 monthly. And most legal marketing agencies don't cost less than $3,000 monthly with a commitment. But my masterclass, where you'll learn to get clients for years to come yourself, is a one-time price of $998 for the keys to the castle. And I'll walk you through exactly what to do step by step. I'm offering you today a special flash sale for my masterclass, How to Create Facebook Ads for Law Firms, step-by-step Facebook interface walkthrough, for 3 days only. I call this my masterclass because it's truly cornerstone content for any law firm who needs a steady flow of new clients. Your coupon code offers you 40% off your order at checkout, and it's expiring at the end of this weekend. There's over 12,800 of you taking in my content these days. Thank you. But I'm only making 10 coupon codes available. Begin building yourself a Facebook ads machine that will work for you for years to come. Thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the masterclass.